My name is Henry Suarez. I've been working for Resideo Honeywell Home for 4.5 years. I'm based here in Miami, Florida. And before working for Resideo, I was working in a company called Alarm and Electronic, and I was basically doing installation as an intrusion, fire alarm, CCTV, access control. All right, as from installing to programming and whatnot. All right. Basically, I have more than 15 years in this industry of fire security. Okay. And now that I talk a little bit of me, so that way you guys get to know me a little bit, I put the webcam so that way you guys can put a face to this voice. All right. I'm going to start with this training. But before that, I only need for someone to confirm through the chat if you guys can hear me and also can see my screen. Okay. All right. I don't see anything yet. For me to be able to start this training, I will need confirmation through the chat that you guys can hear me and can see. You guys can see my screen. All right. This webinar is about my web tech. All right. What is my web tech? My web tech is a platform. All right. It's a website that we have. All right. Resideo Honeywell Home. We have for the customers. All right. So that way customers are able to download documents that you guys can download step-by-step documents like what to do on a programming scenario. Also, you guys can have many tools that you can use from my web tech. Like if you want to know if a device is compatible with another device, you can look it up through there as well. You can see the features of the panel or features of the device. You can see many things through my web tech. You can receive notification when we're gonna do something to a device, or if a device is gonna be discontinue, or if it's gonna be an issue with a device. You can see all if there's an issue with any device in a specific, you can see that on my web tag as well. All right. Um, but the thing is, the catch here, right? To be able to register on my web tag when you're gonna do this registration, you need to accomplish some requirements. All right. What are those requirements? All right. You need to be a Resideo customer, or you need to be on the tech support on our tech support database. Resideo Honeywell Home Tech Support Database. If you are in that database for tech support, you just go into the website for my web tech and you register. But what you need to register? You need to register with the email that you request support before. All right, with that same email that's already in our database, you need to request support with that email. You need to register with that email. If you register with another email that you didn't provide before to us, then your access on my web tab is going to be limited. All right. You're not going to have some documents. Maybe you're not going to see the software. Also on my web tab is the software for Compass to download the software for you to connect to the panel remotely, or the panel to panel direct connect. All right. So if you want to know if you are on our database, you need to email us here, the home support clerk at resideo.com. All right. So if you have a doubt, you don't know if you are in the database or not, you just let us know, and then through the email, and then we can look it up. We can look you up. If we don't find you, then they're gonna ask you like for your complete name, the company name, the company where you work, address of that company name. You must include the country. All right, when you put the address on it. They're gonna ask you also for your phone number. Okay. Okay. With that info, they're gonna tell you what to do. They're gonna tell, okay, yeah, probably on the email, they're gonna say, okay, you already being added to our database. You must complete the following step. Like, you're gonna receive an automatic email about this case. You must click yes to close the case and complete the survey. After 4 hours that you did that, okay, you're gonna go to this website and register on my web tag. Okay, if you don't do that, and then you're trying to register on MyWebTech, you're not gonna have complete access to MyWebTech. Okay. Now, as soon as you did all that, and you already confirmed that you are on Resideo tech support database, then you go to the website, https mywebtech.honeywell.com. You click on register. As soon as you register, I'm sorry. As soon as you click on register, right, you're gonna see this all these questions. You need to provide the email address that was used to register on MyWebTech. I'm sorry, to be added on the tech support database. Then you're gonna put a password, and you're gonna confirm that password. Right, that password need to be a minimum of eight characters. But you need to have capital letter, lower cases, numbers, and a special character. Okay. Now, as soon as you log in, it's gonna as soon as you create that, you register it, you're gonna get an email to confirmation, and you're gonna validate that. As soon as you've done that, wonderful. You're gonna go to MyWebTech once more, and you're gonna click on login. Right, when you log in, you put your info, your email, and your password that you created. And you have on the right side of MyWebTech resources, that is my account. That's like your profile, and then the log off. All right. So what you're gonna click on is on intrusion alert. All right. When you go into intrusion alert, you have a lot of menus and sub menus. All right. Menus are like you see there, my support or notification center, download center, and videos. These videos are training videos. Okay. Now, under my support, I already said that all this. Under my support, you have sub menus. Oh wait, it didn't show here. Okay, my bad. Under my support, you got products, all right, that you can't look up any product. You got documents. You can download any document. We have a bunch of documents about each product. You have compatibles, where you can see what device is compatible with another device. Even you can look it up like, oh, I want to know if the Vista 128 FBPT is compatible with this sound expander. You can look it up there as well. I'm gonna go also live into the website, and I'm gonna show you. Okay. Now, you also have features. You can see, okay, what kind of feature this system have, or this panel have, or this device have. You can look it up here as well, right? Why this website is very helpful. Why? Because when you request support through or email homesupportcloudstudio.com, remember that's an email that can take up to 24 hours. All right, for us to help you out. All right, remember, it's an email. A lot of customers send request support through there, and what we do is we create a case and assign an engineer to your case, to your request, and then that engineer will reach out to you and help you out. All right. Also, you got the phone lines, the phone numbers. If you call the phone number, tech support, maybe you're gonna be on hold for 20 minutes, 35 minutes, or whatever. So it's gonna take you time. But if you have like basic questions, like I want to know if the this panel is compatible with this sound expander, you look it up here, and it will tell you if it's compatible or not. Or maybe you need programming step by step how to do the user code on a 20 panel, or you want to see a video. There's also videos right here on this website that will tell you how to program those kind of users. You will see that. Now you got also features compare, for you to compare one device to another. You got email support uh, to request support, okay, and you got links, okay. Notification center, you have what happened with this? Okay, in notification center you have two sub menu. One is notification sign up and notification archive. Notification sign up is for you to subscribe and what notification you want to receive. And an archive is for you to see all the notification that we have there, all kind of notification. You can look it up out there as well. Okay. I want to enroll six wireless devices onto a Vista 128 BPT. Is that possible? It's not possible. All right. The 128 BPT panel only talk to the 5800 wireless devices. All right, those 5800 wireless devices, you need a receiver that is the 5881 EN-M, EN-H, or EN-L. All right, the Vista panels are not compatible with the six wireless devices. You can look it up here as well. We're gonna look at that. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. The six devices are for the Lyric panel, and we also got the Pro 6. The Pro 6 are for the Pro panel, the new panels that are not available, I guess, for the Caribbean yet, just yet. All right, they're available for U.S., Canada, and Puerto Rico, but not for the other countries yet. All right, we also got Download Center. What you have in Download Center, where you can download software like the software for Compass, the one that you would use to connect to the panels, even remotely through a net communicator or through phone lines or direct connect. All right. Also in Download Center, you guys also have to do upgrades to some keypads and touchscreen keypads. It's like the version right there that you can download from the website. All right. And you got videos. What you got in videos? In videos you have, oh my God, I think something wrong with this. On video you have a bunch, a lot, not a lot. I don't want to put that. It sounds like 1,000, but it's not. But you got um some videos like how to do what thing, some training videos that what you have on the video menus. Okay. Now, if you go to products, if you go to product, you put your product name, and then you can see a lot of general information about that product. You can see some links related to that product as well, and you can see some essential documents like a damn installation instruction, programming guide, user guide, and whatnot. All right. Now, if you click on document, right, then you can search for that document for the PAN number. You select what kind of document you want to look for, or you just leave it out on all kind of documents. And then here in document name, you can look for any document name in specific, or just click on it, click enter right there, and it will give you all the document that we have about that product or that PAN number that you're looking for. All right. In this case, in this example for that picture, they put Vista 40LA, and then you will see the documentation about that product. Now you got compatibles. On compatible, you put the part number, you click on search, and you will see. Look at this. They put like the links panel 5100 LA. All right, and they will tell you it's compatible with this kind of devices, yes or no. You can look it up versus search. You can refine your search. Now you got features. And features you do the same. You put the part number, you can put the feature that you're looking for. You click on search and it will tell you here this panel they put a 128 BPT. It says real time and clock, and it's telling you what to do, what program, what forum can handle, what is the note about this actually feature that you were looking for. Now you got feature compare. A feature compare is gonna give you for you to put both product one and product two. After you do that, you hit enter, then you will see all the features that that panel have, and it will tell you if the other panel that you're trying to compare have it or not. All right. Then you got email support. When you're gonna do email support, this support is gonna go straight to an email for US tech support. All right. They will help you out because you're gonna be, if you put that in English, your question, whatever it is, they will help you out. Then we'll reply to you. But if for any reason there's people here in this training that speak Spanish and they do this request in Spanish, they're gonna send that to us, to homesupportcloudresideo.com. If you identify yourself here like you belong to the Caribbean, like you're a Caribbean customer, they're gonna send that to us, homesupportcloudresideo.com. All right. So you can just if you want to request support through here, that's fine. You can do that, but it will be faster if you do it through our email, homesupportcloudresideo.com. But have it in mind, you also can do it from here as well. Okay. Now you got links. What are these links? This is like Honeywell Home links, like Resideo, Net 360, Total Connect Dealer Toolkit, whatever. And you got other helpful links. There are like the links like the website for QuickSet, Electron, C-Wave Alliance, Control 4, and whatnot. All right. Now, what I talked before, you have notifications. In the notification center, you have the sign up, and you also have the archive. All right. And sign up, what you do is you subscribe, all right, to any product or the name of the subscription that you're gonna do for. All right. So if you click on it and subscribe, then all notification that we're gonna send about that product, you will get in your email as well. All right. You're gonna get it like you're gonna be notified about that. There's a new notification, whatnot. All right. You can see it on your email. And the notification archive, right? You can see all the notification that we have sent. Now you got Download Center. That's where you can download the software Compass and Download Center. Also, you can see the version. You can download the revision for the lens panels, okay, for the Tuxedo Touch, and you also have the software for the 7810 PC. You can download the software, that's fine. But if you don't have a license, it's not gonna do anything. and we do not give off demo license. All right, and the training video, on the video tab, you got like videos training for the lyric, for the graphic keypad and then links, touch, to connect, bar, some modules, Vista. You also got the Pro Series, you got Compass and all of that. All right, now that I just mentioned, we look up. What? There's something going on here. All right, never mind. Now that I talk, we mentioned and talk a little bit about MyWebTech. There's another helpful tool that is called Resideo Learning Management System, LMS. All right. Here, you do not need, for this website, for this tool, you do not need to be on our database. You just go into this website and you register, and that's it. Okay. What is this tool for? This, you can do your online training. Okay. Any training that we have in there, it's in English, you can do it. And if then you do a test, and you will get a certificate. But you do it on your own. It's called self-paced. Okay. Now, what am I gonna do right now? This is like the main site at Resideo LMS, right? This is what you will use to do your own online training. Okay. I think this page is in Spanish, but I'm gonna let me go into it. Okay. Let me go to the website so I can show you guys that better. I'm gonna go to MyWebTech first. Okay. There you go. I'm on MyWebTech. I got log in or register. What you guys will do is click here, register. All right, and then you guys need to confirm that you guys are on our database. If you are not in our database, then you're not gonna have a complete full access to this. You'll put your email, password, and confirm that password. Okay, then you will get an email confirmation, for this. Okay, you're gonna log in. Let me put my credentials right here. All right, I already log in. I gotta click on now and intrusion all on that. All right, I guys is gonna take you through on MyWebTech first, and after that, I'm gonna take you through this LMS, the Learning Management Site. Okay, training. Now I'll go here. I'm gonna click on my support. I'm gonna click on products. All right, and let's put a product name. Let's put Vista 21. There you go. IP. Click on search, and I get general information right here about the Vista 21 IP. Have support to our smoke detector on zone 1 up to 16, 40 zones plus 16 for the wireless 1500 devices. All right, you got like some general information here. Now, if you go to addendums, you click on it. I will tell you some addendum about the products. All right, you click on programming guides. You'll see some programming guide for this panel. All right, and let's say keypad. You click on it, and you will see the keypad here, compatibles and document for keypad and feature as well. Okay, that's on the product side. Now, let me click here on documents. All right, let's put it here. What panel? The Vista 128 V128 F. There you go. I got the FBPT here. I did this because it's a long term, and if you put the complete name, you're not gonna be able to see it like this. You actually need to select whatever appears here on the bottom. If you don't select that, then you're not selecting the right panel. All right, so let me show you something else. I'm gonna put here Vista 128. There you go. I got the BPT somewhere here. You need to select this. If you don't select this and you just put your name, you put a 128 here, and you click on it, you're not gonna get nothing. Okay. So you actually need to select the panel. So I will select the panel. Document type, I'm gonna leave it like that. All kind of documents. On document name, I just gonna click on it and hit and click enter. All right, so I'm getting all the documentation that we have for this panel is right here. Okay, so I look how set up a 4232 control building module. I think it's called this. See the CVM set up for Vista True panels. I click on it. Voila, I'll get the document. There you go. It will give you a step-by-step how to do, how to wire it, how to program it. Look at the connection from the device to the DB9 serial connector. Okay. Now let me go back. Let me close this up. Let me go back. Now You got documentation and step by step. This is normally when you see a step by step, it's like programming. All right, so let me look here only for step by step documents. Search. There you go. Only step by step. Look, how to set up the keys A, B, C, D key setup section. That's the macro key. Audio amplification setup with AVS and J7 output. Access control disarmament only. That would be stacky. Bell output connection supervision. Look, enable long range radio as a backup with dialer primary. I click on it, right, and I get the document, how to program it. All right, there you go. We'll tell you the fields, what to program, what to do. All right, how to connect that along that communicator as well. Okay, let me close that up. Let me come back. So you guys already saw. You guys have a bunch of documents here. Okay. Look how to wire the 1500 TMM module or wiring the receiver. Now let me go back here on my support. Now let's go to compatibles. All right. All right. Let's say compatibles. Now you guys want to know what device is compatible to any other device. To what kind of device you want to compare. You guys can put it on the chat. All right. Or I just put a name here. I put something here. Let's say the Vista V32 FBPT. There you go. I got the panel. Search. Now I got everything here, all the devices that are compatible on some devices that are not compatible. If you don't see the, if you type a device here is not do not appear on the list, okay, maybe it's not compatible, or maybe you're typing it wrong. So you gotta take a look at that as well. So let me see if okay, I have a Sun expander and the part number is 4219. Let me see, is the 4219 compatible? I look here and search 4219. There you go, 4219, 8 zone expander, not compatible. Okay, all right, so I cannot use that zone expander for this. What about the 41? Oh, my bad. 4101 as Zen. There you go, it is compatible. Okay, this is a tool that you can look for devices whether compatible or not real quick. Like you don't need to call anybody. Just you have access to this, you can do that real quick. Now, features compare. All right, I want to compare the Vista 32 FVPT, right, with the Vista 128 VPT. All right. Now you're doing you're comparing one product to another. The both have go to partition, 10-digit content ID reporting, support 16 smooth detectors on one and on two as well. Okay, this is only on zone one. Look, on the FVPT panel, zone one and two, BPT panel only on zone one, right? You can compare one device to another, one product with another. All right, email support. What I told you before, you can send an email for support, requesting support, or you can go to links as well, and you got all these helpful links. All right. Now, notification center. Notification center sign up is where you subscribe. I'm subscribed here for only two panel service, pro service panels, and layer control panels. All right. Or you can guys subscribe to anything you want. Let me see referrals. Subscribe. That's it. I just click on them. I'm already subscribed to that to receive notification for all this. Let's go to commercial fire panel. Let me see. Subscribe. That's it. I'm already subscribed. Okay, I will get notification for that. I will get notification on the document. I will get it in English and Spanish. You can change. You can select all languages if you want. All right. All right. Notification center. I go to notification archive. Right, and I can see all the notification that's been sent up in the last 90 days or the last year or the last 2 years or all notifications. You can select the language. Okay, and you click on it and you see what is that notification. Okay, let's look here, notification number 57. Click on it. There you go, notification. The keypad, this was released on February 8, 2021. Okay, let me close that up. Let me go back here. Now, download center. Download center is where you have software. You can download the software Compass. You can download also the software. The 7810 PC will not work. The 7810 PC. For those people who doesn't know what is the 7810 PC, that's our AlertNet receiver. Okay, if you guys don't have a license to it, then it's not gonna work. I click on intrusion. Look, I got Tuxedo W, Tuxedo WC. Those are new tuxedos. I click on it, and there you go. You got the revision for those tuxedo. You guys need to do some kind of, if you need to do the revision with the micro SD card, you can download from here. Normally, this panel will do it itself. This tuxedo, if they're connected to the network. You got for the 6290, you got for the links panels, Videofy, Domonio, Tux Wi-Fi, the VAN 6280, that's continue. You got a software compass. Look, click on software compass. You got the base install. There's a new release from June 2021. If you guys are going to download the software compass, please, you got to read all documentation before you install compass. All right. You got here interactive download document. You download any documents, all right, and read it. All right, so you make sure your operating system is compatible with the software compass. You got then the upgrade, the update for the compass as well. And this is only for Canada. Okay, this is not for any other country, only for Canada. All right. Now, if I go back right here, I got let me go back one more time. I go to AlertNet, and I got AlertNet Central Station receivers. Update for the receiver 8810 IR and the receiver 7810 PC. All right. And if you guys do, whoever does AlertNet Enterprise, this is the software for control and data server for the Compass. This is only for AlertNet Enterprise. All right. Let me see what more I have. Oh, AlertNet communicators right here. This is the software to update the AlertNet communicators. Okay. Now on videos, all right, you got a lot of videos, a lot of training videos. Like for example, for the new panel, the Pro Series. Here's how to add the Pro Takeover module on a Pro A7 Plus panel. You got here how to add the Wi-Fi on the Pro Series panel, how to enroll sync sensor, how to add the cellular communicator, how to add partition, right? It's a how-to videos. And then you got here another panel, the lyric. You can go into this and you can look what kind of how-to video we have here. You can even you can download the video as well. Right, if I go here to keypads, 6290 overview, adding cameras to Tuxedo, you can click on it. If I go here, you see, you can download that video right here as well. Download, okay? All right, so this is all that you guys have. You see, this is a very good tool for you have to have you guys to see like a something real quick, download documents real quick, programming guides, whatever you guys need that's gonna be fast, you can download through here. All right, let me look here on our panel like Vista 20p. Remember, you guys need to always select the panel that is shown here in the bottom after you put the name, the part number. All right, I click on it, click enter so I can see all the documents that I have for that. All right, then I go down, look, adding descriptor, how to add descriptor, how you added a key switch, how to apply power to the panel, AlertNet compatibility, AlertNet communicator compatibility chart. You can click on it, and it will tell you what AlertNet communicator are compatible with those panel, with any panel. Okay, and you see the notes. You see, you can do compass or not. All right, let me make it this bigger. Okay, go back. All right, backup battery node, the basic of programming. Let me see, changing the master code. Oh, you need to change the master code. Click on it. There you go. Let me make that bigger. Step 1, enter master code plus A02 new code and then new code again. Keypad will be 1 for confirmation, letting you know the code was successful change. All right, easy. All right, now that we talk about this website for the MyWebTech, we're gonna talk about the LMS side. All right, let me see what I have right here. That side. Discover learning. Wait, there you go. All right, you guys need to register. You just click here and register. All right, and then you will put your first name, last name, email address, another email address that you guys may have. You need to put two email addresses in here. You create a password, confirm that password. You can put your manager name if you want. Whatever doesn't have this star right here, you don't need to put it. You don't need to put it in here. But if you want, if you put your manager's name and your manager's email address, all right, it's gonna send to your man every time that you complete a training and you get your own certificates. It's gonna let your manager know. Okay. Let me go back to login. Let me log in. Um, I don't remember. I think this is my credential. I'm not sure. All right, so I have my learnings. Look at this. I got my learning, communication, and health topics. I'm gonna click on my learning. You click here in course catalog. Okay. And look at this. Instruction courses, self-paced technical curriculum. All right, so I have here 6290 the new keypad 6290W. You click on it, and then you you see all the modules, and you click on it, and then you start with this training. Some training will look as says here on modules for these courses. You gotta take the exams, or some courses may not have an exam, and then you can print the certificate and send it to your email. All right. You got Net 360, you got the dash, you got links, you got the new panel pro series. You guys want to get into it, you know, take a look on it. That's fine. All right. Even on my web tech here, look, there's a lot of documentation of the pro panel, the pro series right now with Pro A7, Pro A7 Plus. Click on it, and you got all this documentation for the panel. Okay. You got programming guide, different languages. All right. We go back to LMS. All right. So this right here, you got intrusion courses, but this is instructor-led technical curriculum. That means um that's when this is for US most. Maybe there's gonna be a certification led by a technician, by one of our engineers, and it will let them know, okay, if they're gonna click here. Let's say Vista. Let me go. Wireless fire now. Let's go Vista 1250 BPD. Right now, there's nothing on the schedule, but it will be something on the schedule. They will tell you what city in the U.S. and if you can register or not. Okay. So you got webinars. You can click on webinars as well to see if you want to take some webinars. That's like an English base. You got video file training. You click on video file, self-paced, instructor led as well. Okay. I don't know if we have any questions so far. I don't see any question in the public, only the one that I answered before. This is a quick training, is just resourceful, very good tools that you guys can use. All right. If you guys don't have any question, I want to play a game about this training. Okay. That's what I want to do. I want to play a game about this training. I will be very happy if everybody are able to connect here. What we're gonna do is this. We're gonna play a Kahoot. All right. I'm gonna go here. Okay. What I need you guys to do is this. This is very easy. It's a game. Okay. It's a game about the training that I just did today. I need at least 3 or 4 people. All right. What you guys are gonna do is on your computer or on your mobile device. I will recommend your phone. Go to Kahoot.it right here. When you go here, I'm gonna put that in the chat. Okay. Okay. It's gonna ask you for a game pin. You're gonna put that game pin is this 4527708. This is the game pin. Okay. And then what you guys are gonna do is put a username. What username you can put in there? Your initials or your first name and the initial, the last name. Um, or you can put it anonymous, whatever you want, all right? But I just need at least 3 to 4 people to get into this game. How is this game? All right, you're gonna see you're gonna see the question as and the answers. The answer are color are here by color. Okay, you need to select the right color on your mobile device or your computer, whatever you're doing this game at. All right, but you will see the question here and the answer. You need to reply. You need to answer the question fast and correct. For when you do that fast and correct, then you're gonna get a lot of points, and we will see who's gonna be the winner of this training. Okay. All right, just gonna start right now. I think people are shy, don't want to participate, so let's click start. All right, this is about MyWebTech. All right, first question. Let's see. I'm gonna read it for you guys. To register on MyWebTech, you must be in training department database, tax support database. You must be certified, or all of the above. What would be the right answer? I don't see anybody answer yet. Only 3 people playing. Oh, everybody answered correct. You guys must be on tech support database. Good. Second question. Let's see who's winning. CH is winning. Shane second and SS third. Let's see. Next question. I have true or false. Using my web tag, you can see the compatibility with one product to another. True or false? You guys need to answer fast. Let's see. Correct. Okay. Yes, you can see the compatibility with one product to another. Let's see. Oh, Shay took the first place, as second place. Oh, Ramiro is coming now in the third place. Look at that. Let's see next. Third question. In the document sub menu, can you see training videos? Remember, in the document sub menu, can you see the training videos? Where do you see the training videos? Okay, let's see. False. You see the training videos on the video menus, all right? On the document, you do not see the videos. Next, let's see. Oh, look at that. S is coming first. Second place, we have chain. Oh, the third place, CH is coming on the third place. Let's see the fourth question, true or false. In download center, you can download the software Compass. True or false? Okay. True. That is true. In the download center, you're able to download the software Compass. Oh, as continue on the first place. The second place we have chain. The third place we got CH. But this last question is it can be another winner here. What tool is used for online training? Online training, Resideo Learning Management System LMS, or is it MyWebTech or Home Support Cloud Resideo.com or all of the above? What is that site for the online training? What is that tool? Resideo LMS must be. What do you guys think? It's Resideo Learning Management System. Only one person answered correctly. Let's see. Who was the winner? On the third place, we got CH. Very good. On the second place, we have, let's see, Chain. And on the first place, we have, let's see, SS. Thank you, everyone, for participating in this game. Okay. And with this, we had just finished this training part. I just want to remind you, everyone, that this is our email for tech support, home support, clarresideo.com.